So what are you doing after lunch?
I don't know. Nothing.
You didn't buy another car, did you?
No. I mean, no, not. Can we talk about something else?
You bought another car, didn't you?
Does it help if it's not a whole car?
No.
Here he comes. Here comes the delivery man. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that fine piece of machinery. Yeah, he's got something on the trailer. He's got something on the trailer for us. Oh, wow. We need another project like we need a hole in the head. Yeah. Yeah. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Hey. Oh, he's got his girlfriend with him. Hey! Look at that. We're going in circles. We pull it in the warehouse. Follow me. Wow, that's a fine car. Gonna thread the needle. Yeah, he's professional. He's a tugboat captain, so he knows, look, oh, he's gonna thread the needle with it. Hey, all that noise is from your front tires dragging the ground.
I know it.
Well, you got your crew chief in there with you?
Yeah, got the ball.
I'd say just pull over here and I'll try and slide it. I got that.
You want to pull it too?
Just slide it like you're gonna make a circle. Just go through here and see. I got the forklift. I got a big pallet that I think will reach all the way through to help support.
All right. Well, I fit through here.
You should. Oh yeah. We got to unload this thing, so we'll get more in depth here in a little bit.
Pick up on the stern of it and shoot that way. I'm trying to slide forward there.
Oh, I see it. Oh.
Okay.
Coming back. It'd be good. There we go. We got it set on the ground. I haven't seen it without the top up. I mean, the top down. With the top down. It looks kind of funky.
It does. That is, but with the top down or gone completely. That, look at that. Take all that off. Just put your piece of sheet metal back there.
Yeah, it's weird looking.
It is, ain't it? Rhonda, push the button.
She's oblivious. She doesn't even realize that we're doing strongman stuff right now. She's sitting in the truck, out of care in the world.
What you do, Playboy?
good. I just wanted to have it. Just. All right, there we go. We'll be back later with more video of this fine piece of machinery.
Ain't that awesome?
Yeah, it's kind of funky. I mean, it looks weird with the top down.
It does. I think it'd be better off if you can't sell the top. I mean,
But it's a lot of weight
It is.
with all the stuff. Because like
Yeah.
Amir was
Besides,
saying,
it's not the look you're going for.
no, I mean, I'm not going for the Mustang look.
No.
I'm going for the no doors look.
Yeah.
and what would be great is if they said anything about the cage, I could just have someone weld a bar right through here.
Yep.
That would be good enough.
But you need making the swing in.
That's true. Because then, I couldn't get it out. Well, it's a convertible. I could jump, dude.
Yeah, but well,
I could just run up the back. No, I'd have like a little mini trampoline back here, right in the back. Hit it, and just go right in. Oh, that'd be so awesome until I messed up. Oh, here's the, oh, what is that, the key for it?
the trunk.
Are you serious?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's the key to the trunk. 'Cause he said, this thing makes one walk, and we're like,
No, that's not good.
no, it's
locked.
It's low.
So, yeah. This thing may go through a couple different stages of how I look at it to see.
You know what the crazy thing is? Rocker panels.
I know, it's a
everything
clean
is
car.
Street. I can't believe
This
he
is
cut
probably one of the straightest cars I own.
I can't believe he cut it all up.
It's a miracle. I can believe it. All right, guys. We'll be back later on with more on this fine piece of machinery. Whoa, hey. Oh, hey, sorry. I was in my own head. I was doing something. So, what's going on? Okay, you guys know we got this piece of crap. It's a convertible. Honestly, I don't even know what year it is. I think it's a 92 or 93. I don't honestly know what year it is. But it is a convertible. It's got this super awesome roll bar in it. A lot of ums. We've had this for a little bit now. I figured I'd go ahead and finish up the video so I can post it up and everything. When I first bought this car, I had every intention of maybe doing like like a Leroy, Cletus McFarland, if you haven't seen his channel. Like a Leroy type car with nobody, but Michael's like, man, that car's kind of nice. I mean, so I kind of over time, I don't think about it a lot. I got plenty of other things to be thinking about besides this. I'm kind of like, man, I don't know if I want to do that. So, what exactly did we buy? Well, let's take a look real quick. What are the good points? Well, I mean, it is relatively rust-free. And when I say rust-free, I mean, it doesn't have any. The floors are good. It's hard to see in here, but the floors are good. The door jamb areas are good. The strut tower are good. I mean, both sides. This right here, this is nothing. I mean, you just weld this back on. Look at this. We just weld that back on, have us a car. The windshield's in good shape. The cowl's never been damaged, whatever. The car's really clean. The top is literally brand new. The dash is really nice if that is something that concerns you. Like I say, it's a really nice car. The trunk lid, the inside, this was a race car. So they had done some stuff in the back with a fuel cell and things like that, but it's not in there, of course. But basically everything's there. They didn't do anything that's irreversible. We can make everything work. So, like I say, the bad part is that it's missing parts. Of course, we have other cars, we have parts, we also, Amir told me that all 4 windows worked. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. We also got both doors, and they're in nice shape. And the door panels are in nice shape too. the mirrors. So, I mean, this is actually a pretty nice car. I hate to say it, this might be the nicest car that I own as far as body and stuff like that, even maybe paint. That's sad. So we don't really know what we're going to do. You feel free to put your thoughts below in the comment section. Should we just leave it a stripper and just whatever, or should we kind of throw it back together? I mean, I don't know. We're not going to part it out, of course. We're going to get it running and driving at some point in time. We just don't know when that's going to be. So anyway, leave your thoughts below. Let's get back in the car and let's wrap this up. Okay, there you go. So you've seen the good points. I mean, there are some, obviously there's some bad points, but we really, at this point, we don't really have a plan for it. And that's fine because, like I said, we've got plenty of stuff to work on besides this car. I mean, we've got plenty of stuff. At this point in time, right here, right now, while I'm talking about this, I've got a lot of stuff to do. Stuff that I need to get done before I even start thinking hard about this car. But I wanted to go ahead and put it up. It is a project car that we have. It is a car that we will build. I mean, we really just bought it for the cage. But, you know, once we start looking at it a little harder, we may start doing something with it. Or we will do something with it. We just don't know what. But who knows? Who knows when we start one inspirational strike and we may, you know, maybe we'll put a big block in it. I mean, who knows? I mean, who knows? So anyway, this video is probably not going to be very long, but hey, that's a good thing, right? So until next time on the substandard leader. Why did I just say that? I get on to Michael and Kevin all the time about not knowing how to do the outro. I've done quite a few of these videos by now. You would think I would know how to do my own freaking outro. It's been a long day at work. You can only use that excuse so many times as well. All right, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for watching, because I'm watching you guys. Until next time on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos, lover of vans, Lincolns, POS Mustangs, 4eyes, 5.8s, and convertibles. It's getting to be a long outro. We'll see you guys next time. Hold on.
What are you doing? You're not supposed to look at that.
You looked right at the fucking camera.
I need to look at you.
Okay.
I'm gonna laugh. Why are you looking so weird? What are you gonna do?
You're supposed to say you didn't buy another car, did you?
Okay, so do it again.
You can say something.
Now I'm thinking.
I guess we're going to continue this a little bit.
Well, what else was I supposed to say?
You can just like shake your head. And go,
Oh, okay.
"Ah."